Hello everyone. In this video, AutoFace will guide you on how to create a script to automatically browse the newsfeed. Go to Script Manager to create a new script. Select Create a New Script. In the General Command group, hover over the Newsfeed command. Then click and hold the left mouse button to drag and drop it into the right panel. Click on the three dots to reveal the Edit and Delete options, then choose Edit. You can set up various parameters. View time, total time spent viewing the newsfeed. Delay time, time interval between interactions with each post. Random like, total number of posts to like. Share to feed, total number of posts to share. In the Randomly Comment section, you can set up the number of posts you will comment on. For the comment content, you can choose to comment in one line or multiple lines. If you choose to comment in one line, each line corresponds to a comment content, and the system will randomly select from your input. If you choose to comment in multiple lines, each content will be separated by a straight line. Now, simply connect the starting point node to the node of the newsfeed command, and you're done. You should retest your script by clicking on the debug icon to check if there are any errors. To test the script, click on the play button, then select a profile to run the test on. After creating the script, give it a name and press save. The newly created script will be located in the Your Scripts section. To run this script, go back to the main screen, select the profiles you want to run, then press Run. Choose the newsfeed script. Before running the script, you can select the Automation Setting button to set the parameters. After setup is complete, click Run to run the script. I've just introduced you to how to create an automatic newsfeed browsing script to warm up your accounts on AutoFace. If you need further assistance, please contact AutoFace's support team via live chat, Facebook, or Skype. Good luck and see ya.